Hello. Welcome to day 3 of the 14-day Passive Income Challenge. My name is Chaim Ekstein. I'm super excited to be with you today, where we're going to discuss forced savings, how to force yourself to success. Come with me. Force yourself to success. Force yourself to have a passive income plan. I give you a few examples. I give you some extreme examples and some not so extreme examples. A typical example that I see by a lot of people that helps them in their journey for passive income is by setting up automatic deductions from their bank account. So let's say they set up a brokerage account, they set up another bank account, a savings account, something like that. They have the money automatically drafted from their account. That doesn't mean that it's really forcing you, because between you and me, one phone call, few clicks, you can stop that. But it does require a few clicks. It does require a few phone calls. And after all, this is for your benefit. I mean, whom do you want to fool? You have to make that phone call, and you're gonna try to push off the phone call as long as possible in order not to have to stop that automatic draft. Because after all, you want to be successful. It's for your benefit. But that's on the easier side. I have seen people, I'll admit, I don't do that, and I'm not recommending you to do it. You have to know yourself. If that's the only way for you to accomplish your passive income goals, maybe it's something that you should consider. But it's more important to consider that than not to do anything. And that is, I have seen people take out loans from a bank, from a gemach, from whatever they can, take out loans that will force them to make monthly payments. Every month, every week, they have to make a monthly payment. This way, they have this chunk of money that they took out from the loan, and they invest it somewhere that can help them in the passive income, and then they repay every month money to the institution where they borrowed the money from. You have to be careful. If you do that, you shouldn't pay a lot of interest. If you can have a tax deduction, it's even better. But the main thing is, be focused, super focused on building your passive income life foundation. When you're super focused, you're going to find ways to do it. Another very typical example is payroll deduction. You have the money drafted from your payroll every month, every week, however often you get your payroll. But such a way, you don't even see the money. If you have $1,000 coming in, it's only $800, etc. But this way, you discipline yourself, you force yourself to succeed. In such a way, it's very, very hard not to succeed. And I have seen people from all walks of life doing these things that they could never succeed in savings for their passive income life foundation. But when they did that, it really helped them. Thanks for including me in your journey. I'm looking forward to seeing you in all the coming days.